Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Cryptoguru app. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the Cryptoguru app on your device. You may notice a balance displayed on the main screen, but it's important to understand that this balance is virtual. Cryptoguru is a trading simulator designed for practice, not real transactions. The app uses simulated funds to mimic trading experiences without financial risk. Since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It is strictly a learning tool for practicing crypto trading safely. If anyone claims that you can withdraw real money from Cryptoguru, it is likely a scam. The app does not support real money transactions, making it a safe platform to enhance your trading skills without the risk of financial loss. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from the Cryptoguru app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.